the user can press create new account and fill in the form. Click register. And then here in the database, the new user will be stored. We then put in for the student. So this is the student dashboard. You can view the learning progress, metric, and also the next appointment. Then can use this button to go to their respective pages. For example, the practical page, the learning page, the assessment page, the appointment page. And then the UTM precise hotline contact is stated here for the students. And then for the student profile page, the student can view their personal information and then can click edit profile to edit their details. And then here the details is updated. And then the students can change their password. And the password will be updated successfully. That's all for student. Now I'm going to demo the login for the counselor. And this is the counselor dashboard. You can view the number of pending requests, today's sessions, and also the number of appointments for this week. And then this is the today's schedule. So today you have the appointment with the student, and then this is the appointment time, and then the appointment mode, and then this one is the comment of the students, and then you can view the pending requests here. And then for the profile, you can update their social feed. And then for the availability, they can also update the pages available on the day. And then click save changes. So it will be updated to Monday only. That's all for counselor. We demo the login of the admin. And this is the admin dashboard. You can see the total users, total appointments, the entries, the assessment, and the total number of forums. And then the admin can use this button to go to the respective pages. For example, the manage users, the manage content, and the view reports. That's all for admin. This is the example page, so the student can press log today, and then they can choose a book and then add some notes. For example, I lost my key, and then save the book. And then the current streak, 7-day average, and the total entries will be updated. And then in the book history, we can see the latest book, so the note, and then the notes, and then today's date. And then inside MySQL, you can see the note has been stored inside the database.
This peer support forum page is to show the module 3 peer support forum. So the first thing is it can create a post. We can write our feelings. And we can choose to post anonymously or show our username. So I choose post anonymously. So it comes out here. And then we can also like other people's posts and also comment. We can post a comment and also it will add the comment amount and also likes amount and also come out with the comment. We take a look at the SQL. So just now I have entered the comment. So we can see the comment here. There is the content of relax and also the title feeling calm created just now. And also we can see the forum replies, which is just now I reply the thread ID for the first thread, which is the thread ID 1. So glad to be happy. So here. For the module 4 appointment scheduling module, this is the page that shows the booking appointment module. So first, we can see this is our counseling team for the informations, and also we can choose book new appointments. So I can choose to book Dr. Sarah's and the date, the time, and also I can choose the session type. So I choose in person. This one is optional. So I choose book appointment. So here we'll see there's a pending status and also the information and details of the appointments. So done for the student part. So now we can see the counselor part. So for the appointment page in counselor part, you can see there's a pending request showing the details and also approve and decline. So if I click approve, then here will be showing approve. So back to students portal. You can see from here, just now the appointments that I've made, here shows approve. So we see the SQL part for the appointments. You can see just now I have entered the appointment details here. So the ID will be 4, and then this is the details of the appointment part.
Hi, my name is Tansini, and I'll be presenting the learning and awareness module. So these are all the modules that students can access. For this module, Understanding Anxiety, I've already completed the quiz, so I can review. And this is my quiz history and score. While to learn a module, for example, I start learning. I can take the quiz, answer the quiz, submit answers, and it will show the quiz history, score, and results. And my progress will be tracked here. I have completed 3 over 8 modules for now. After I submit the quiz, the database will be updated and it will be stored here in the quiz attempt table. Next is the self-assessment module, where I can answer different assessment tools. I'll start with this and answer all the questions. And submit the assessment. Then I can view my results. It will show my severity and it will give me some recommendations. From this assessment, I can direct to book appointment or back to assessments. So let's try. Can book appointments here and back to assessment. And also I can view all the previous assessments done. After I've submitted the assessment, data like attempt date and score and also severity level will be stored in the database under assessment attempt table.
The demo for Media 8, which is admin management and analytic dashboard. So here we start by logging into the admin page. Here the first thing they see is the dashboard that shows the system overview. So under users, under user management, you can see the total users in the system, including the counselors, students, and the admin. So here we have actions of editing and deleting this user and also creating a new user. So when we edit the user, you can see it in the database. And you can see the name has changed based on the changes on the admin users page. You can also create a new user. Upon getting a new user, we can see there's a new addition to the user management, which is the user created just now. We look at the base, you can see there's a new user here, which is from what we added just now. We can also delete that user. And when we look at the database, it has been deleted. Now we go to the content page. Now here we can see the content management of the learning modules in the system and also the follow management created by the users. So here under content management, there's also a meeting action, which is creating a new learning module, just like under users, which will be added later on. So for now, we can edit and deactivate a learning module. So editing here, the name, under editing, we can edit the title, the category, description, the duration, display order, and the objectives. And once you save the changes, you can look at the database. The learning module, you can see the changes has been applied. Activated, where 1 means it's activated, 0 is deactivated. So when we deactivate it here, you can see the active is now 0, which means the learning module is deactivated. We activate it again. Now change back to 1. That's for content management. So for now it's for management, where we can see the threads that has been created by the students. So we can view it here. For now, there's an issue where when we are viewing a forum, it does not show the replies correctly. This will be fixed after this. So under forum management, you can see the threads title, who created it, whether it has been created by anonymous or not, the amount of likes, replies, and the timestamp of when the thread has been created. So here we can view or delete the threads. So when we delete it, it is now gone from the database. Next, we will go into the reports tab of admin. So here we can see the system overview. That's the statistics of the system, including the total users, assessment, directories from posts and total appointments, and also look at the assessment summaries of the amount of users that have answered the assessments, and also the detailed breakdown, such as the forum and the user distribution. Under here, there should be the amount of counselors, admins, and students, which will be fixed after this. So for exporting reports, we have user data, assessment, and total usage report. When we extract the user data report, we create a PDF of all the users, including the details. When we export the assessment data, it shows who has answered which assessment, when, the score they got, and the severity of their assessment. It will be the total usage report, which shows the system statistics and also the appointments have been created by students and their selected counselors. So that's it for admin. There's also another module, which is module 7, which is gamification and reward, which has yet to be implemented. After admin has been settled, I will continue on to the next module as well. That's it for me.